The message to Kaizer Chiefs supporters, those who are still in the clubs, please guys, don't fight anyone. I know these criminals who are supporting other teams, they will provoke you. They will make sure they are provoking you. You better to leave the club. Go home. Relax. Remember, we have a duty to support the team. This is not the end of the road. Kaizer Chiefs must come back and claim the good position in that league. So next season, we qualify to go back to that CAF. Guys, our duty is to support Kaizer Chiefs. Let's not fight anyone. Let's do our job. Chiefs is the biggest team in this continent. Chiefs is one of the respected teams in Africa. So guys, let's be the love and peace people. Don't fight anyone. Remember, we are fearless. We are in charge. We are not confused. We are Kosi Nation. The message to the team, boys, come back. We love you. We love you. We always love you. Come back home. We have a date on the 28th of this month. Orlando Pirates is waiting for us. Let's go and crush that Orlando Pirates. Let's claim the victory of 3 points. Let's pave our way to Africa again. Because if we get a good position, we are going back to Africa. We are fearless. We are in charge. We are not confused. Kosi Nation. We love you all, Makos. We are Kosi Nation. Aye, Makos, aye.